Hey guys, this is my recipe for edible oatmeal chocolate chip cookie dough. And you can definitely modify this recipe to your liking. This is just how I make it. I absolutely love cookie dough, as well as cookies of course, but I get random cravings for it and this is my go-to recipe. But it is completely safe to eat because there's no raw flour and there's no raw eggs. So I actually do half heat treated flour, which is gonna kill the bacteria, as well as oat flour. And if you don't happen to have oat flour, you can also make it yourself at home with old-fashioned oats and just grind them. I used my little Ninja blender, as you're gonna see, and it just made it a nice powder. So I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Also, why is it 80 degrees in the middle of November? I have no idea.